What's up everyone, I'm Jessie and I'm here at the Harley-Davidson studio. Today I'm going to show you the Outrush R Modular Bluetooth helmet. On the outside you get all the convenience of a modular helmet, like the flip-up chin bar and drop-down sun shield. Strategically placed vents at the top, chin and rear will keep your head cool, while the reflective material and piping on the exterior of the PCABS injection shell enhances your visibility on the road. Instead of the traditional D-ring strap, this helmet comes with a micro ratchet strap for easy click in and go application. There's a removable washable liner so you can keep the inside fresh and clean. A great feature on this helmet is the integrated sound system with Bluetooth 4.1 capabilities. There's a high-definition speaker and microphone system that features advanced noise control and wind noise reduction for clear communication between up to 4 riders and works for a distance of half a mile. The Bluetooth system can easily pair with your phone so you can make or receive calls, stream your favorite music, and even enjoy the built-in FM radio. This helmet also comes with a rechargeable battery, charger, and a helmet bag. The Outrush R Modular Bluetooth helmet is available in either matte black or matte silver and comes in sizes extra small through 2XL. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.